Ever since September of 2020, we've seen mutations or variants of the COVID virus that have been emerging. The first one that occurred in September 2020 was over in the United Kingdom. And you may see this on the news. It's referred to as the B.1.1.7 variant of COVID-19. And in general, what they found so far is that by getting the vaccination, you may have some protection against the United Kingdom variant that's out there. Of course, it's not going to be 100% protection, but it'll be some, and some may be good. We just don't know how good enough yet. But there's been some other variants that have come out, one from Brazil, another one from South Africa, and particularly the one that came out from South Africa is potentially a bad actor. They've seen that the process whereby we have these neutralizing antibodies because of our vaccination that have developed, that even those neutralizing antibodies may not be good enough against that South African variant that's out there right now. And so we kind of have to be on the lookout. There's actually a new strain that just came out from California that is now the fourth variant that's being mapped out right now. So in general, for the United Kingdom and the Brazilian variant, looks like our vaccinations will give us some, but not 100% protection. The South African virus looks like we're going to have very little protection against that.